I don't know if you guys know this, but videos like these on YouTube are bringing in millions of dollars every single year. The people making these videos are no special than you or I. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do exactly the same step by step in under 10 minutes, even if you have zero creativity and zero editing skills. Look at these analytics, you guys. This channel, CoComelon, like I know they're the biggest in the niche, okay? I know, I get it. But according to Social Blade, they are bringing in millions of dollars every single year with these videos. They literally started from scratch. Just a couple that wanted to bring joy to the world with these videos. A big company did not start this. Somebody just like you or I started something like this. And now they're literally backed by Disney with tons of investors running this multi-million-dollar YouTube automation empire. It's just so crazy to me how many lives are actually changed from YouTube. And this was not a they just got lucky type of situation, because there are tons of smaller new channels that are literally blowing up using the same exact strategy and making thousands of dollars monthly. YouTube pays you for the views that you get. This type of business, anyone can start. The traffic on YouTube is already there. You just have to produce the content and focus on growing the channel, which we'll talk all about today. I'm gonna show you how to create a channel just like this using all AI tools. And what I love about this is you don't even have to show your face or use your voice. You can even grow a YouTube channel, and if you decide you don't want it anymore, you can literally sell it. It's a digital asset, especially a faceless one. Or obviously keep it for your own passive income. So like any time that you spend on this, it's just going to continue to be a digital asset for you. This is how I became a millionaire within 2 years, from these kinds of digital assets. And from thinking with this mindset. Step 1, we need to generate a song and lyrics. But obviously I'm not going to be singing a song and you are not either. But there's literally free AI tools out here right now that we can generate a song with. First thing we're gonna do is just open ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna ask it to make a song about Noah's Ark. I feel like it'd be so cute to create like a YouTube channel for kids about biblical stories or something like this, or even to create an educational channel about a specific thing. So it's really great to niche down as much as you can. If you need ideas for niching down, that's also something you can ask the AI, but we're gonna just start with this. So let's create a fun, preppy kids song that teaches kids about the story of Noah's Ark. Then have ChatGPT generate full lyrics with rhyming lines, repetition, and easy to sing words. So in literally a second, ChatGPT wrote us a really cute song. So just keep this tab open and don't close it or you'll lose it and they'll have to remake it again. So now let's turn these lyrics into a fully produced song. So again, another free AI tool here for you guys. You're gonna go to this free website called Suno AI, or you can just type in suno.com. Here we're gonna create catchy songs with one click, 100% free. So just make a free account and it'll bring you here. Then you're gonna just go to this create tab. So let's just split our screens here and just copy and paste your lyrics from ChatGPT. You can pick a style or leave it blank and it'll give you a bunch of them. And you can see all the different versions that it made here. So let me just listen to a couple of them and see which one is the best. So this one sounds like the most catchy and kid-friendly, so let's just go with this one. So once you get the song that you like, you're gonna just click on these 3 little ... You're gonna click download, then click MP3 audio. So the MP3 will just save to your computer, don't lose it, just like drag it to your desktop or something. And now we're going to go to our next step, which is creating visuals. So step 1 was generating the lyrics. Step 2 was getting our song. Now we are going to generate the video, which is the most important part, and the visuals for the video itself. And again, we only need one AI tool to do this for us. And my favorite platform, as you guys know, I've showed it to you guys before, which is InVideo AI. Using one simple text prompt, InVideo AI can create full-blown unique animated videos for you in minutes that you can use for your YouTube channels. I put the link in my bio to access it through there. And once you click that link, it's gonna bring you to this page. So first thing you wanna do is up here on this V4, you're gonna change this to V3 because that's the animation mode. So we're gonna just type in here. So I'm just gonna split my screen again and I'm just gonna copy the same prompt that I gave to ChatGPT, but we're gonna change it up a little bit. So we are just going to make sure we add in for it to make sense of what we're asking the AI in InVideo AI. So I just asked it, create a fun, preppy kids animated video with a song that teaches kids about the story of Noah's Ark. Use this And I just, again, copied everything that was in ChatGPT. And now let's just copy and paste the lyrics here. And we are just gonna tell InVideo AI, use these lyrics. Then when you're done, just click generate a video. Now we're just gonna wait a few minutes for it to generate. It might ask you just a couple more questions about like how you want the video to be, like the vibe of the video. And when you're done with that, then just click continue. So now we can see the video has been generated for us. These visuals are so adorable. I cannot wait to see it with the song that we made. Now, if you guys want specific things added, like your YouTube channel logo, or if you want to add lyrics on screen, you can use this edit command box right down here to be able to do that. Just type in anything you want to change and then click generate. You can even change the language in these videos too, which is really cool if you decided to do like a Spanish channel or something maybe not as saturated for a different country. I'm going to ask mine to add the subtitles on screen with the bold font, and it just looks more interactive that way. And you can see it changed it right away. If you guys want to change the animations at all, you can just click on edit right here, and here you can change the script or the media all in this one section. All you have to do is just click on one of the like scenes that you want to change. Then you can scroll down and see all the different ones that you can pick for that scene to switch it out. When you're done, just click on save changes. To add your song to our video, you're gonna click edit, then just click on music, click uploaded music, then you're gonna click upload again, and upload your song. You can see here it's now uploading. Then you're gonna just select it and click replace and apply. Then just click save changes. Just go ahead and download it and you'll find it saved directly in your computer.
Now I built a big boat, big boat, it floats.
It really is so cute. And just like that, we used AI tools to literally copy and paste other channels, but we want to do it even better than them. So, I mean, anytime you can pay attention to detail or just think of how can I do something but do it better than them? Because we obviously are not meaning to try to just copy anybody. Just flat out copying people is not going to get you anywhere. But you guys can see we took inspiration from a channel. We see that it's doing so well. We're just taking it and making it in our own way and making it even better. And using these AI tools have never made it easier. To create a thumbnail for this video, just screenshot the best moment from the video itself. I'm using a MacBook, so I just press Shift plus Command plus 4 to quickly just capture that frame that I want. If you're on Windows, you can just press Windows key plus Shift plus S. And this opens the snipping tool where you can drag and select the best frame. Again, just pick the best one that's the most bright and eye-catching, and like you always want to like clickbait people on YouTube. And that's how you're able to do that, through your thumbnails. Then you're gonna just head over to YouTube, create a new channel, or upload to your channel if you already have one. It only takes a few minutes, upload your video, and set up your custom thumbnail during the upload process. And again, I put the links down in my description box below for all the tools you may need. Everything that I showed you guys in this video was free, except InVideo AI is the only one that's not, because as you guys can see, it's a very crucial part of your video. And of course, you can, use stock footage or different things, but it's not gonna look as unique and special as this animation and the quality of this animation is. So of course, you can try InVideo AI for free as well. But if you want to take this seriously and use their generative capabilities, I have the generative plan that is $96 a month. This is the one that I have now that allows us to create these fully animated, unique videos. And if you're already a user on InVideo AI, you can just simply go to the add-on section and get generative seconds. The whiteboard is back out, guys, because now I'm going to talk to you guys about how to grow your channel and make money. So here are my rules for you. Number 1, make videos over 8 minutes. Mixing and matching them with a kids channel like this is ideal. You can even see the bigger channels do this. So you can even see, like, by looking at these channels, like I'm already developing strategies. That's how you guys need to be thinking of it too. But about the 8 minutes thing, you're gonna thank me later, because once you're monetized, you can put multiple ads on them, and whenever you make money, YouTube makes money, so they're going to push your video out more. Number 2, shorts. Speaking of shorts on YouTube, which is short form content, you guys have seen them, help to grow your YouTube channel faster. So don't sleep on these. And InVideo AI allows you to make these too, or you can clip them up yourself in editing softwares. My number 3 rule for you: style your video titles and descriptions. Style your video titles and descriptions after channels that are already going viral. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. My 5th rule to you: do not just post 1 or 2 videos and expect them to blow up. This is a long-term business model and commitment, just like any other business. So pick something that you enjoy, pick something that you find purpose in when creating these videos, so you're gonna want to actually do it, and then it becomes fun for you. My 6th and final rule is I want you guys to watch the full free course of this on my YouTube channel, because I actually created an entire free course for you guys all about YouTube automation on my YouTube channel. I go over every single thing you need step by step, even slower than I did today. So definitely make sure that you guys go and watch that full free course. I will link that down below so you can really master this business model. I go deep into proven strategies about growing your channel, monetizing your content, and overcoming these challenges that creators face along the way. You guys know I have 2 successful YouTube channels. One is Faceless, and I'm very experienced in this business model. So definitely, I hope that free course helps you guys out tons. And you guys already know, all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Nobody's got you like I got you. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at BattyandBiz, BattyandBiz, for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys and our YouTube channels all the best, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, guys.